Hello friends, here practice set 6.1. Now today start question number 6. Prove that in trigonometry. First example, sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. Now here prove LHS is equal to RHS. Now take LHS. First LHS sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta. Now taking simplification, sin square theta plus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta upon cos theta. Now here we know the identity, basic identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now here take sin square theta plus cos square theta using basic identity value 1 upon cos theta. Now we know the relation between sec theta and cos theta. Using cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Relation between cos theta and sec theta. Therefore 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. And now here prove sec theta is the RHS and LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Here one example is proved. And now student, second example. Here cos theta in bracket 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now here prove LHS is equal to RHS. Take LHS first, cos square theta in bracket 1 plus tan square theta. Now also known the second identity. Here the identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. These are the three basic identities. Then cos square theta into, now 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Then we know relation between the cos and sec theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Using this relation, cos square theta is equal to 1 upon sec square theta into sec square theta. Sec square theta cancel is equal to 1. And this is the RHS, value of RHS. Now LHS is equal to RHS. Like this, the second example is proved. LHS is equal to RHS. Student, example number third, under root 1 minus sin theta 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Similarly, we have proved LHS is equal to RHS. Now first take LHS. Then LHS is equal to under root 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Now in quantity 1 minus sin theta, multiply and divide 1 minus sin theta. Therefore the value of quantity is same. Then under root 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta whole square divided by 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 square minus sin square theta. But we know the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then taking 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Then under root of 1 minus sin theta whole square upon using identity cos square theta. Then square and square root. Take square and square root, then quantity 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Now separating these, here 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. Now also known the relation 1 upon cos theta sec theta and sin theta upon cos theta tan theta. Here cos 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta, sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Then here RHS. Now LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Take these are multiply and divide same quantity. Taking square, find out square root and relation. Here prove LHS is equal to RHS. Here fourth example, sec theta minus cos theta, cot theta plus tan theta is equal to tan theta into sec theta. Now here also prove LHS is equal to RHS. Now take first LHS, sec theta minus cos theta into cot theta plus tan theta. We know the basic identities. Then our relation, here sec theta 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta. Now relation between sin and cos, cot theta cos theta upon sin theta plus tan theta sin theta upon cos theta. Then taking cross multiplication, 1 minus cos square theta upon cos theta. Here taking cross multiplication, cos square theta plus sin square theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Now using identities, basic identity, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta upon cos theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. Then sin square theta and sin theta cancel. Then sin theta upon cos theta into 1 upon cos theta. Now sin theta upon cos theta, basic identity or relation tan theta 1 upon cos theta sec theta. This is LHS is equal to RHS. Now here write the relation 1 upon cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta, and cos theta upon sin theta is equal to cot theta. This is the relation between trigonometric ratios. LHS is equal to RHS.